Welcome back everyone to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill and today we're going to be covering the On Cloudnova 2, this time in the Ivory Sphinx colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back everyone to another unboxing and review. If you're joining us for the first time, be sure to hit that subscribe down below if you're not already subscribed to the channel, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these unboxing and styling segments. Today we are going to be covering the On Cloudnova 2, this time in the Ivory Sphinx colorway. We'll go through the overview of these, then jump into size and fit, followed by how I styled this and some on pieces. Then we'll conclude with how much these are going for on the retail market and where you can find yourself a pair. Let's jump right into it. So as far as the On Cloudnova 2, I feel like this is one of my favorite On silhouettes as far as a great looking lifestyle sneaker, and honestly it just pairs so well with everything in my day-to-day wardrobe. As far as the colorway goes though, this one is by far one of my favorites as well. It's got a nice just simple white ivory base, so nothing too crazy all around as far as color blocking goes, which makes this one super easy to style. The other components on the top of the upper here are these kind of copper tones, which I think are beautiful with the cream colorway. I don't have a lot of copper tone on any of my sneakers realistically when I was thinking about it, so this was a pair I really wanted to pick up. And we've got that same kind of coppery tone and finish on the pull tag here. We've got the skinny spaghetti laces in ivory, and then the eyelets are in this nice just charcoal gray hue. All right, let's look at those details, then jump into the side profiles. Working our way to the side profiles, more of that ivory finish with the On logo and that coppery brown hue. We've got the same tone and finish on the back of the heel here and on the On logo on the back. You've also got hits of that copper, which I just realized on the lace tips here where it says "Put Me On." And then we've got the same color blocking on the lateral side of the sneaker. The inside of the sneaker for the insole is white and charcoal gray. Then we've got just nice simple ivory for the back of the heel cushion. Then the sneaker is completed with this nice simple Speedboard color scheme in charcoal gray with a white midsole. Then we've got this almost a gum bottom, orangey tone and finish, which I love myself a gum bottom, so I love that it's got this key component on the back of the heel color wise. In between we've got white, and then on the upper we've got some charcoal gray and then more of that gum bottom finish to complete the top of the toe box here. All right, so let's take a look at those details. As far as the Cloudnova 2 as well, some slight iterations and differences from the OG pair. This one has some improved step-in motion, so really easy to get in and out of these. As far as this Speedboard technology, which is attached to the clip or the heel clip, it's amazing because this is going to give you a good support in the heel and good hold and structure. All right, so now let's talk about size and fit on these. So as far as size and fit goes, these are a little bit more on the narrow side. I went true to size though, and they fit me perfectly. So if you have high arch, narrow feet like myself, highly recommend sticking true to size, and these will work great for you. All right, so now let's talk about the on pieces that I wore and styled with this pair. So I'm kind of obsessed right now with the Or colorway and olive on pieces. It looks honestly very different in different lights. It's got this silvery gray, blue, purplish tone. Sometimes looks a little bit beige, but I felt like it was a great pop of color for this pair. So for the look that I wore this pair with, I decided to go with this nice Club Collective quarter zip, and then I paired this with the Club Collective matching pants.
Can't get it off my mind. No, I'm tending to the bruises I got the other night. I gave you my word, I would be strong, but now I'm caving in under pressure.
All right, so now let's talk about how much these go for on the retail market. These are retailed at $170. You can find yourself a pair on the website as well as some on retailers. That is it for this unboxing and review. If you joined us for the first time, thank you so very much. Be sure to hit that subscribe down below if you're not already subscribed to the channel, and give this video a thumbs up if you have not already. My name is Marissa Hill. This is ShadeTV. We will catch you all on the next episode.